the economic development. Okay, so say sometimes what happens, that there are some factors which are obstructing for economic development. So the planning commission's work is to find out that what are the problems. Say for example, poverty is a problem, there is no education in this sector. So these are the factors which are obstructing the economic development. So now you have found what you have to do now, based on this, and to determine. So we now have to find out and see each one by one, and to determine the conditions which in view, so which according to the planning commission, so in view of the current, so in the current scenario, view on the current location or the current situation, so in view of the current social and political situation should be established for, obviously for the success, yes, so for the successful execution. So plan has to be executed, so whatever the hurdles are happening, start working on it, try to remove the hurdles and do according to that current situation, looking at the social and the political situation at that moment of time, because ultimately we have to execute the plan for successful execution of the plan. So generally the IAS officers are almost of the IAS officers or bureaucrats, we say, are also into planning commission. So you are going to be the future planning commission for India. Okay, now let's come with the next one, the fifth function. Yes, the fifth function is determine the nature of the machinery which will be necessary for securing the successful implementation. So implementation means to start, okay, to start something. So implementation of each, or to see that the work has been done, to put it inside, to see that the work is included in it. So implement means to start, to include something. Okay, so to implementation of each stage of the plan. Okay, so we have to determine that nature of the machinery, like which machines should be done and how it should be done and how the mechanism should be done, and what are the necessary steps for the successful implementation of each and every step. So step by step the planning commission has to see its function, it cannot leave each step. Okay, so this is very, very important point. The sixth one, now when the planning commission also has to praise, when I'm teaching you something, and suppose if you are being able to answer my question, I should also praise you that good job you have done. So yes, even the planning commission has to appraise from time to time and say, yes, congratulations, we have finished stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. So that is what is said, appraise. So appraise means you also have to praise. Okay, so appraise from time to time the progress achieved. So how much have you achieved, that also you should praise. Achieved in the execution of each stage of the plan, and any adjustments you require, so that also you can recommend. If you want, no, this should change, no, that should change, so that is called as adjustment. Okay, so any minor changes you want to do, that is called as adjustments, that also the planning commission does. So you can also recommend. So let me write down here, and recommend okay, so you must recommend the adjustments. So any adjustments are there, that also can be recommend, so adjustments of the policy. So any recommend at any stage can also be done. Okay, so such appraisals and measures should be done from time to time, so that each and every step there is say, okay, this work has been done, good, congratulations. No sir, there is some problem going on in this step. Okay, then make a change, we'll adjust, and once the adjustment is done,